Did you have a good time during Activity Week, Tony?
Oh yes, it was fantastic. It's such a shame you couldn't come.
Well, hopefully, we can all go again sometime.
I'd love to. There are so many things to do. I tried boxing this time, but maybe I could try kickboxing if we went again.
What did everybody else do?
Well, Lucy did ice skating. She's really good, you know. She was skating backwards and doing all sorts of fancy turns.
What about Will?
He wanted to play water polo, but there were too many people doing that, so he did mountain biking instead. Catherine couldn't decide what she wanted to do, so she tried out all the different ball games. You know, football, hockey. She even played basketball for a bit, I think.
I really want to try climbing if I go. Did anyone do that?
Yeah, Paul did. He said he really enjoyed it as well. He wanted Helen to go with him, but she was scared. She ended up playing tennis instead.